the 19th.
My name is Nanedu, and of course, me, Katim, and Easy Beat would also sit down for Inside Studio to make sure so your evening is sweet. Well, how your weekend? Hope your weekend is a wonderful something. You go to wonder why our eye be like this. And we don't know now. So now the grooving of the week.
Yes.
Now so we just take siam. You know, it just confuse our eye. Also they say na fufu.
Na fu. We see you are full. Everybody abang na full. Today, 19th of October, 2015. Years.
My eye, go for me. Person eye no call hook like this.
What will happen? You know, wait. You know do that thing when we smoke.
I do.
Where they turn.
No, get on why I do that time. Why I do hand like this? Good like this. I don't want you. I go slap you the mad. See, not try me. You don't do any. You know see, nah. So in your hand be. Yeah, that's what your hand be now. You see, matter people they hand they like this. Then they always do something.
How you know?
Men, guys, with their hand they be like this. They always do something. Like make their hand they hook like this.
What is it? Which kind of thing they do?
Now you make me want ask Easy Beat now.
Yeah, Easy Beat hand no they like that. Easy Beat hand they alright now.
You know what they do. I don't know.
What do they do? You just mean answer for I'm going.
Wait, you see, why hand go there like this when they be like this?
How you go get control over your own? They don't get control over their own.
Now because I form my own like this now. You don't mad. I don't kill you now. You don't try me. Okay. Anyone, I couldn't even work out on the next show.
For outside wall. Illuminati.
I don't know.
No, so now and I'm going. How you take no say? You just go.
No, yeah, get that hand now. It gets 7 o'clock.
No, so waiting happen. You just go stand looking at your hand.
Yeah, my guy. Now, just make sure. We always do it together, so I see him. Hand.
You don't even ask him why waiting do your hand like that.
Maybe an accident, or maybe when them born them fall. Maybe you know see when they more begin they honor me they draw. So maybe when they want carry when them born them.
Yours fall. Say oh
wow. As they come fall, a hand come. Be like that, you know, coffee arrange again. Anyway, today on Monday, Ministry Monday, we'll get Bumi only the HR expert for inside the studio. But before we start today, una know say with President Muhammadu Buhari don't talk say by December of this year 2015, in go win Boko Haram. Meaning say Boko Haram go come out for inside the country.
Yes, and me and Neru get the solution for that.
Now, Ifa worshippers.
Yes.
Those where they worship Ifa.
They come meet for weekend.
Bumi is here. Bumi, please, can you explain to us what is Ifa? Who are Ifa worshippers? Again, who be Ifa worshippers?
They are worshippers of Ifa. Therefore,
who be Ifa worshippers?
Ifa is a deity now.
Can you deity?
Deity.
Shrine. All those when they worship shrine. They want all those Baba Abijawarabiekun, Ogunjimi, Baba Lawo, all those when they watch Yoruba film. All those people now when they say, "Oh my Kpofo." Yahweh!
Who be that? You too?
Kpofo, John the moment Kpofo, oh my Kpofo. Then Yahweh, Licha.
Baba Jebu.
Baba Jebu, all those people.
How you take
they want join together now, take fight Boko Haram.
No, you see all these things are laughing matter. Okay, and you want to now they do a tank bombing. Now, if you think about it, if these people come together, say for once and for all, this nonsense is too much.
No,
we don't be quiet since
if you don't watch Yoruba film,
but now,
if you watch Yoruba film, you go see them. No. They just disappear.
But you know, say
now in Ifa, God bless you now. All these Ifa worshippers, God bless you now. You people are going to make heaven. You I don't know wherever they're gonna go make up.
God they do. If now be say they go the Ifa go they carry them go they meet where the Boko Haram.
Now they tell you.
You can imagine say Boko Haram don't catch their gun the way. The breeze where Ifa worshippers go blow.
No. Ifa go do the same. The college there, we go see Boko Haram one press bomb. I see one the press bomb. If I go come just if I the Boko Haram go just die.
All of them will just fall down.
All of them will just fall down, die.
In their 10 of thousands.
That thing go carry them go the camp where Boko Haram they stay. All of them go gather. They come join hands together. It come out and follow. But
catch fire.
Enough! 5 don't begin born.
They go say this.
Then
It
then
has
which then these people own. Then Ifa own. Then please. Those of una wey be winch.
Association, go tell an association.
Those of una wey be winch, I beg. Make una discuss am for an association.
Yes.
Make una join.
Imagine they join with Ifa.
Imagine where witches join. Benin winch.
Calabar winch.
Calabar winch.
Igbo winch.
Yoruba winch. Igbo winch. I beg, all of una wey be winch. Please.
Una just consolidate.
Help us. Join together with Ifas.
Because they are strong in number.
Those of una wey be witch wey they follow from top
fly
Twitter.
for money.
Those wey they follow. Those of una wey they fly for money. No worry. After this, our federal government go give una amnesty. Una go feel they fly morning, afternoon, and night.
Without interruption.
Without interruption.
Yes.
No, but you know, say, I'll get back to it. They might be this one I want to talk now about witch. So I beg, please, Mona join together about witch.
Man or woman
and flying
witch.
during the day.
Okay.
Please, Mona join together so that we go feel win Boko Haram. Easy bits don't they discuss with him people for Benin. You understand? They are working hand in hand, working assiduously.
So who they discuss with the Eastern our East people?
Yes, no, worry people their own witchcraft.
Who they discuss with the people in the East?
No, people live in Akaraka. Akaraka they discuss.
Akaraka na Lagos branch now.
No, Akaraka no. See. She get affiliation with the witches. So Akaraka go discuss with the Igbo. Then Agbef go discuss
with that side Kogi and Benue.
Then Osas go discuss the one way they for Ogun. You understand? Bimbo,
so who go there for Abuja?
Suleiman said fit help.
Suleiman go then we know say we get witches in diaspora.
Okay.
Fly.
All those
they go join together. So I beg all of you will be witches.
Help us with
no,
that
go no. I beg those of you will be witches. Help us join hands together with Ifas. Let us win this war against terrorism.
Once and for all.
If we win them,
now we say we don't get market. All these Jew gay everybody.
Thank you.
They will come patronize us.
You see, Obama go they beg us now. Our country go come big. Now
go there on the map.
On the map.
The
now
people
instead
that
of
kill
we
terrorism.
now them go they come here.
Yes.
So all these witches wanna join hands together
because to increase market.
To help.
Now market
and
share
fight
value.
terrorism.
And fight. Let us join hands to fight terrorism.
Yes.
And then the next who be that?
I just say because I say Baba.
Baba.
That's it.
And then for the next story before we enter the show proper. Okay, that which one we want to talk. I say imagine. You see, solution, easy bit, solution there for everything.
Easy bit,
I know why
solution.
they look you. Kind of been an Edo it come from.
Okay.
I love Edo witch. Edo witch. They're not the one wojuche. They don't look of your face.
Okay.
The one when they want to witch you, they witch you. Easy bit, sister. What's it that sister name? What's it that sister name?
Why you?
That's how I see this evening. What's their name?
Phoebe.
Phoebe.
Yeah.
Phoebe, if you see this girl, witchcraft fit her well. Witchcraft fit this girl
How
well.
she be Coke bottle?
You go see her after show. Witchcraft fit her. Now, if these witches come together, because we get diaspora in Lagos. All these witches where they Benin, they are diaspora in Lagos.
Okay, as per they know they Benin, so
yes,
they're Lagos.
They're Lagos, so they're diaspora.
Yes.
Now, another thing again, why they think? Lagos state government now they think can for traffic.
Yes.
It's very easy. Very easy.
They go just climb.
No, not be in the. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. If all these witches go feel come together, make them get association. No, they already get witches. They don't get already. Make them do discussion with Lagos State Governor Akinwumi Ambode.
Yes.
Make them look for a means of transportation for people. Now, you wait there Ikorodu, you wait there Ikeja, anywhere you do, you want go VI. Just dial their number #232#.
Then they go come.
No, see, if VI go get 1, Lekki go get 2, Ikeja go get 3. Then you come play #233. No, if na VI they come, #232#2. Press am, pia. *232*2#.
When you
don't come VI be that.
Okay.
We just
You go just go. What do you want? Now on top that broom you go fly or just close eye open. Now on top that broom you go fly or just close eye open.
See, you know what happen? You go download the witches app.
Okay.
You go download.
Now you
go download. See, what this witches? Wanna get app. Download the app.
Then
on
you
top Android and iOS.
Yes.
Then once you don't download that, you go register with your email.
Yes.
Put your picture. Say the patronize. You go get money when I go they pay monthly.
Yes.
That like
as a subscription.
From then on, there's nothing like traffic in your diaspora.
No, traffic no go there. If you go VI, *232*2# you don't see yourself for VI.
That's it.
Then if you go Lekki, *232*3#.
Then *4# *5# like that, depending on your location. Your location you will know after you don't download the witches app.
Then if you go mainland, they don't go *232 mainland their own are like 52.
Okay.
*232
that kind of better go with 52.
No, it better like 212. *232 *512#. You don't reach a better.
Then that Dokpemu go be 54.
You go see this one where they say people they buy car, they show off. Nobody go send again.
Because nobody go there road.
Nobody go there road.
Nobody there for to look your motor.
Nobody go there to look your motor.
Yes, I agree. Anthony Metita said, if our people they wait the commissioning, more reason we need our ministers. Minister of Internal Affairs go ahead, which is in diaspora.
So I beg, if you don't say you be witch for that place, tweet us. Tell us whether una don dey plan to discuss with Lagos State Governor or any place where traffic dey.
Make una get una app.
When una get una app,
yes.
So that una go help traffic matter. And then for the second story, when I first watch this picture, just see this picture.
Yes.
See am.
What do you think?
Just see am. Where the picture?
Okay, so don't sleep.
Una see that guy, Abi? Now woman he be before. See that guy? Now woman he be before. See in 6-pack. See how when he be woman when he sit down there. Say meet another man who actually used to be a woman. I beg. Come on the picture now. Thank you. You can remove it. Please. We go break now. But before we go break, on top Twitter.
You don't see the...
Help us. Hold on. I have something I want to say.
Okay.
You see, when the spirit is moving,
you don't interrupt it.
You don't interrupt
you let it flow.
You let it flow.
Let it flow.
Now, I imagine and now.
Say
okay, you wake up tomorrow. One of our artists or actor feel be man or woman before in their life.
Okay.
Person like Don Jazzy.
He fit for be woman.
Now woman if he be before.
Why?
I don't know.
And you know now spirit is the spirit.
No, you see, when the spirit is moving, you don't interrupt it.
No.
You don't ask the spirit question.
It's true.
Now, on top Twitter, we're gonna tweet us now.
Yes.
Now, which actor or artist
yes.
you feel say either a man before or
a woman
before? We're gonna see the tweet now. When we come back, we'll talk them out. The spirit is moving.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.